What's up guys, and welcome to April Education's Daily Tech Tips. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to fix the Brazil national squad inside FIFA 22. Now, if you've tried playing with the Brazil national team, you know it's a bunch of players you've never even heard of before probably, with no faces in the settings and all that, and it's kind of weird to play with this unfamiliar Brazil national squad. You want to play with your favorite players like Neymar, like Coutinho, Firmino, Fabinho, all those players that we know and we love are the ones that will make you want to play with the Brazil national team. So I'm going to show you how to fix that in this video. So from the home screen, go to Customize and then go to Edit Teams. And then on the Edit Teams page, go to National Squads. Now here, go ahead and select Brazil. And this will open the national squad for Brazil. Now on the left hand side is the current national squad. You can see all those strange faceless players with names you probably don't even know about. And on the right hand side is the national pool. And this basically means the pool of Brazilian players inside FIFA 22 that you can pick from and add to the national squad. And the best way to do this is by replacing. So for instance, go to the national squad and replace a goalkeeper with a goalkeeper you want from the national pool. So I'm going to select this one by pressing X on my controller, and immediately it's going to select the national pool, and from here I can choose which player I want to switch that with. Now I'm going to go for Alisson, the Liverpool goalkeeper, press X, and immediately, as you can see, Alisson will be moved to the national squad and the other goalkeeper will be pushed over to the national pool. So I can go ahead and do this for the substitute goalkeeper. Select Ederson, the Man City goalkeeper. Then go ahead and choose center backs. Go and select center back and look for a proper center back like Marquinhos, the PSG center back. Select another center back, go for Thiago Silva. And as you can see, the national squad is starting to take shape with familiar names. Now go ahead and do this for right backs, center backs, central attacking midfielders, defensive midfielders. Go for strikers. For instance, if I go here, select that striker, and of course select Neymar from the other side. Select that one there and replace with a striker like Firmino, and really go ahead and do this for all the players that you want from the national pool into the national squad. So on the national squad side, it's a simple scroll, but on the national pool side, if you reach the bottom of the first page, simply press R1 on the controller to move over to the next page to find other players in the national pool. And once you're happy with the changes you've made, simply press the options button on your controller to submit that squad. And that's it, that will save and take you back. Now, if I go back and try and launch a quick game with the Brazil national squad, I'm gonna go ahead and select Brazil for home. And before you can press X to select whichever team, make sure live form is turned off. And if it's on, you can toggle that with the triangle button on your controller. You can toggle that between live form on and live form off. Now you want it off so that you can use your own selected squads. If you put it on and go ahead and play games online like seasons or online friendlies, it will not use the custom squads that you've just created. This is only for local matches between you and the CPU or between you and your friend, but for local matches only. So I'm going to select Brazil and I'll select another team here. And as the game starts, you should now start to see familiar faces on the pitch. You can see Marquinhos there, you can see Thiago Silva there, and other familiar faces of the Brazil national squad. There you go, that looks more like the Brazil national squad you might want to play with. You can see Fabinho there and other players, and that's basically how to fix the Brazil national squad inside FIFA 22. Now I did mine in a rush, but you can pay a bit more attention to your squad as you're creating yours or as you're transferring the players from the national pool, and have fun playing with Brazil. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.